guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we will make a cute paper pouch. So let's get started. For that we want one pink color paper, one black marker, one red marker and scissors and glue. So first we will take this and now we will roll it like this. You can take any color paper, which color you want. So now I will stick it. Okay, so now this side we will cut like this. Okay, so now I have your pink color strip. Now I will take the size of it from here. Now this we will do like this way. Now here we will put the glue. Now this circle we will stick here. So now we will take this strip and we will cut it. So now we will stick it here. Now here we will put the glue. So now I will take the pencil and here I will mark it. So like this we have to cut it here. Now again we will take this so now we will stick it. We'll draw here the eyes. So now we will cut it. this we will stick here. So now we will draw this mouth. Cute pouches are ready to use. Do you like it? I've totally liked it. If you like it, make yours and tell me in the comment section how it made. So till then, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon.